Big Brother Naija All Stars housemate Seyi Awolowo, better known as Kiddwaya, has bragged that the 120 million naira grand prize of the reality show is not enough for his upkeep. Kid, who is a son of billionaire businessman and socialite Kiddwaya, stated this in a chat with fellow housemate Cross on Friday morning. He stated that the fame is the sole reason he is in the house, with Cross quoting, saying he needs the money badly to get certain things done. BBNaija All Stars housemate Seyi Awolowo has given a warning to his female colleague Venita Akpofure. According to Seyi, he is not Venita's husband, so she should mind how she talks to him. Seyi made a clarification when Adekunle tried to have a chat with him about the back and forth clash between Venita and New. What's your pick, fame or money?